Hello, my name is Paul Brampton. I'm a partner at IBB Solicitors. I'm also the head of construction and engineering. Our advice is that clients should not only use a specialist construction and engineering lawyer to help them resolve disputes, but a specialist should be engaged at an early stage to help them to avoid disputes. A specialist will be familiar with the numerous forms of construction contract deployed in the construction and engineering industries and the interplay between the various contracts on any given project. They'll be familiar with the complexities of the construction and engineering processes and the types of document generated by building projects. They will also be familiar with the special rules that apply to construction and engineering disputes and the different types of dispute resolution methods available. They'll be able to identify the types of expert to engage and when to bring them on board. And more likely than not, they will have seen similar disputes in the past, or they will have the specialist toolbox to come up with legal solutions to novel problems. On occasion, we find ourselves acting opposite general litigators. They may be fantastic lawyers, but due to a lack of practical experience, they'll often struggle to get to grips with construction contracts and the methods commonly deployed to resolve construction and engineering disputes. The client's role is really of paramount importance. For the best possible outcome, there needs to be trust between the client and the lawyer, and both the client and the lawyer need to foster a collaborative relationship. Before the matter even comes to litigation, factors such as the care taken by the client in operating its contracts and the quality of record keeping by the client can be the difference between a good outcome and an unsatisfactory outcome. Construction and engineering litigation tends to be one of the more expensive types of litigation. Construction and engineering projects are complex undertakings involving a lot of different people over a lengthy period of time. The amount of documentation generated by a construction project can be vast. There are often multiple parties involved, with competing agendas. The issues in dispute can be highly technical, requiring input from a number of different experts in order to resolve them. Clients should never underestimate the administrative burden that a major piece of litigation can place on their business. A number of people within the client organisation will need to play an active role throughout the litigation process. One of the best methods for avoiding disputes is by investing in good project management. Good project management can take many forms, but it will invariably mean properly managing the project risk through prudent contract procurement at the outset, employing the right people to manage the project. These people will be organised, good at record keeping, and will be good communicators. Acting swiftly if problems occur. In our experience, those clients who come to us early with their potential disputes can expect a much higher probability of identifying a satisfactory and cost-effective solution. And if they follow our advice, they will usually be better prepared if a full-blown dispute becomes unavoidable. If you need any further information, please call me, Paul Brampton, or one of the other construction and engineering lawyers at IBB Solicitors.